Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. What do you say? So, first thing we're going to do is start off with our thinking caps. Put those right on, get those nice and snug, and now we are ready for math, aren't we? So, what I had planned for today was we are going to. Mr. Fox, you scared me. What's going on, buddy? Oh, hi. I'm sorry, Mr. T. I didn't mean to scare you. It's just I'm in desperate need of some help. Need some help? What's going on? Well, this whole thing about 10 more or 10 less, I just don't quite understand it. 10 more, 10 less. Okay, you know what? Why don't we start off with that? I was going to go a different route, but it's all about what you guys need, right? So let's talk about 10 more, 10 less really quickly, all right? Oh, thank you very much, Mr. T. I'll just go have a seat right over here. All right, Mr. Fox, thank you very much. So let's get this whiteboard out. We're talking about 10 more. Let's talk about 10 more. So let's get a number like 31. This is 31. So when we're talking about 10 more than a number, what we're doing is adding a 10. Just adding a 10. But we have 3 10s. We add one more 10. What does that give us? If we have 3 and we add one more, it gives us 4. The ones column doesn't change. All we're doing is adding a 10. 10 more than 31 is 41. All right? Other ways that we could show it is this. I could draw a quick 10 picture. 3 10s, 1 1, 1 1. So this is 31. This is also 31, right? Two different ways to draw the same number. Now, how do we show 10 more? Just add a 10 to it. Add another 10 stick. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 41. Add a 10 stick, right? That will give you 10 more. What about, will that work on any number? Well, let's see. Here's 45. Here's 45. 4 10s, 4 10s, 5 1s, 5 1s, 45, 45. Okay, what's 10 more than 45? Out of 10. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s, 5 1s. 10 more than 45 is 55. That's 10 more, right? What about if we're ever asked about 10 less? Well, you just do the opposite. Less, that means subtract, right? In this case. So take this 45, take one away. Now we have 1, 2, 3 10s, 5 1s. 10 less than 45 is 35. So really, this really helps me out drawing these pictures, because then I can add a 10 if I want to know what 10 more is, or I could take a 10 away if I want to know what 10 less is. Right? All right. So if I look at a number like, let's say 30 or 40. Let's go with 40. This is 40, right? I can say this as 40. I can also say this is 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. All right? Could I say that 40 is full of 41s? What if I hadn't put them into 10 sticks yet and it was just 40 cubes laid out? Would that still be equal to 40? Yeah. So 41s as well. But that would look like a bunch of dots, right? And that's a lot to draw. So it could be also 41. So there's see that there are different ways to write numbers, right? We see different ways. So we're going to be working out of our workbook today. Now, what we're going to do is at the end of our workbook, we're just about done with this. You guys have done a great job. Is a review, and it's a few pages starting on 281. On 281, you start with this. There's some cubes here. It says Felix counts 46 cubes. So there's his 46 that he counted. Then he counts forward some more cubes. And you're just going to write the numbers as you count on. All right. Now down here, we are counting by tens, or we're going to draw a line starting at this side. From 35, you're going to find the number over here that is 10 more. So just like what we did, and you have space over here where you can work, and you draw a line to the correct one. Do that for each one of these. What's 10 more than 49? Find it over here. 10 more than 59? Find it over here. 65, what's 10 more? Find it over here. And 57, find what's 10 more over there. Next up, we have, does the number match the model? Choose yes or no. So you're going to look at this. Does this match this model? Put yes or no. And same with this one, or this one. All the ones that match this model, put yes. If it doesn't, put no. You're going to circle the numbers to make this sentence true. It says there are either 1, 2, or 10 tens and 1, 2, or 10 ones in 12. How many 10s are there in 12? How many 1s are there in 12? Choose all the ways that name the model. So you're going to see how much this is. Circle all the ones that say the same number. All right, there's different ways to write numbers. Circle all the ways to write that number there. Okay? Here it is. On the next page, there are 42 cubes. Lisa says there are 4 10s and 2 1s. Elena says that there are 2 10s and 4 1s. Who is correct? Circle the name and then draw to show 42. Now this is like a riddle or a mystery. There's a number that you're going to have to figure out using these clues. I am greater than 27. I am less than 30. I have 9 1s. Write the number right there. Now here's a number that we have. We have 10, 20, so 2 10s and 15 1s. That is also 35. So this is 35. Which of these also shows 35? Which of those also shows 35? Go ahead and fill in the circle or circle the whole thing. All right. We're getting through it. Next page. What number is this? Write it right here. Write it right there. Now you're going to finish this drawing to show 118. Okay, so this is not complete. I want you to show 118. Down here, we have acorns. How many 10s are there? Right, how many 10s there are. How many acorns? Write it right there. And to put the total number of acorns there. And here, I want you to draw a quick 10 picture to show 54. Okay, to show 54. So we're doing those pages all the way to number 12, 284. Now, if you can, I would like you to do as many of those as you can on your own, without any help. All right, without any help. See how much you know and what else we need to practice. So when I see your work, I can go back and we can practice later on. Okay, so try to do as much of that on your own as you can. Thank you to Mr. Fox for coming by and giving me a great idea for review day. Boys and girls, go have fun with this. Do your best, and we'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.